Bring a virtual model to life with Enhancor, our newest, most powerful upscaling model specialized for human skin. Enhancor understands how real skin behaves under any environment. Here's how to treat your virtual model with the best quality photoshoot. Drop a portrait you like on the canvas. Generate multiple angle variations using Nano Banana Pro. Isolate the ones you like. Choose Enhancor to upscale. Select Heavy mode for maximum quality. Use Face mode for portraits and Body mode for medium shots or full shots. Skin Refinement makes the skin smoother, and Skin Realism boosts the realism of skin texture. V3 is a more advanced model, which offers more parameters and can export up to 3K. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.